Hey guys, so I'm in my living room. As some of you may know, oh god, sorry guys, I have like stuff in my nails. Ugh. Okay, so as you guys may know, yeah, I'm in my living room. Anyway, I'm really bored right now. So if you guys looked at my first video, I did a this is my third squishy video. Go check out my others. I have 3 up. I have this one is gonna be one. Then I have my first video, which is really cringy, but you know, cringy is my middle name. Everyone calls me cringy at school. I just say, I don't freaking care. And usually people that call me cringy are cringy too. So, I don't know. So yeah. So I'm gonna be showing my squishies. So I only have 2 new squishies that I got today. They're a surprise. But I'm gonna show you them first so you guys don't get bored. So they're both burgers, but this burger is bigger and it looks like a real squishy. It smells really good. This is the other burger. So this is the burger. That's slow rising, but it's really cute. But I am. Look. And then I have this one. It smells amazing too. If you hear growling, that's my dog in the basement. Yeah. So those are 2 of my squishies. And then I have I'm gonna show you some of my newest squishies. Oh god. Comment down below if you heard that. Okay, and then another one. I'm gonna get all my newest ones. Yeah. Whoa. And then I have this one. It's not really new, but it's really cute. Little face, it's like a coffee. It's really adorable. I got it in a candy store on Main Street, and I have this ice cream that I got from my math teacher. That's really adorable. And then I'm getting 3 more squishies from my neighbors over there. Hope you know who I'm talking about, Logan, Hunter, Hudson. They're each getting me a squishy from 10 Pin in the claw machine. They're gonna try to give me big ones, they said, and then I can't. Just told them to get me any one. Okay, I don't know what to do. My brother's up in his room. Don't know what he's doing, but he's up in his room doing something. Oh my god, rapper. I don't really know what I want to do. Why is that there? By the way, this isn't like my main light in my living room. This is just a lamp that you guys are near. My brother's coming. Sean.
Why are you recording?
This is going on YouTube.
Oh my god.
Doi doi. Okay, sorry about that. Only my friends watch my videos, though. Like Hope and yeah. I need you and I got you. Eventually, I'm gonna be deleting all my social media, my Musical.ly, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my YouTube channel. Because everyone makes fun of it and calls me cringy. I mean, like, oh, I know I said in the beginning, my cringy is my middle name. And I don't care if people call me cringy, but it just gets really annoying. But I'm so happy for us. We get out June 20th. Oh my God. We get out June 20th. 5.5 more days of school. What are you doing, Sean? Ow. Ow, Sean. Ow. 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 Ow, sorry, guys. Stop. You saw all my squishies, you butthole.
With squishies.
All my squishies. My butthole. You're my butthole. Hey.
Try this Krabby Patty.
No. Hey. Or this Krabby Patty. These are Krabby Patties. Stop them. Sean. And I need you to.
What is this?
It's a panda.
It smells good.
It doesn't. Don't take it out, Sean. It gets
Why?
dirty because it's white.
I want to smell it.
Oh.
I wasn't going to take it out. I was just going to...
Get it from Squishy. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Whoa, can I have this one?
No.
It's almost like rubber.
Don't do that.
Is it rubber?
No. Sean, you're going to rip it.
I'm not.
Stop.
It stretches.
It's not rubber. Don't do it any
Where did you
other.
get this?
Oh, it's Mom. It's a really bad squishy. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is so good.
Ow. Oh, I got that ice cream squishy from my math teacher. Ow. What?
Suck.
You suck. Wait. Sean, what do I suck?
What?
What do I suck?
Balls.
No. And I don't suck the other thing either.
You swallow too.
Okay then. Sorry about that, guys. My bear's a butthole. Cause I got you. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm so bored. I'm going to go. So, what? Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, comment down below, and peace out, guys.